is only for the rich people, what about the poor people? How they will get the benefit of the digital India?
Sir, I can't say sorry. I can't say sorry because I am a right. So that's why I can't say sorry. No, no. You are a police. You are a policeman. That's why I am. Who are you?
We have a given stadium, we have a given university, we have a given railway station. They are selling that thing. Yes. What we have made our country, they are selling. I will say that हम आपको इज्जत घर तो देंगे पर आपकी इज्जत नहीं रहने देंगे. This is a
Because our party is also give the respect sweeper as well.
Because of them, because हम ruling party कहते हैं कि नजर को बदलो तो नजारे बदल जाते हैं, सोच को बदलो तो सितारे बदल जाते हैं. कश्तियों को बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है, कश्तियों को बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है, कश्तियों को बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है. नजर को दिशा को बदल दो, किनारे खुद ब खुद बदल जाते हैं, किनारे खुद ब खुद बदल जाते हैं. इंडिया, इंडिया.
The person who are throwing stones on my head, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता जमाना क्या कहता है. The only Indian people are knowing that we are doing so much things for Indians.
Wait. I would like you all to welcome Miss Arpita Kesharwani, the speaker of the day. Everybody get up. Please have a seat, everyone. All right, please have a seat, everybody.
Okay. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Okay, so congratulations everyone for coming in this section. As you all know, my name is Arpita Kesharwani and I am the speaker of today's section. So, now I think we should start our section. I would like to call Mr. Rashid, the President of a ruling party, United States of India, to present his opinion. Present your opinion, sir.
Sir, like we are doing lots of things for make India beautiful and
gratitude from Girijin sir. You should respect.
Yes,
he
sir.
doesn't respect our speaker.
Maintain the decorum.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for speaking here. I am the President of United States of India.
Okay.
Today, I am going to represent my party. What we did, and what we do, and what will we do?
Okay.
What will we do?
What
So,
we will do?
what will we do?
What we will do?
What will we do?
President doesn't do English. We are vocal for local.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Silence, please.
So, we did a lot of things.
What the hell, yaar?
We did a lot of things for women's safety. We did a lot of things to make India beautiful. We provided a G20 summit. Everyone know about that.
Yes.
We took a high to make India beautiful, and our vision is clear to become India #1 in all over the world. That's from my side.
Okay, thank you. Now I would like to call President of Opposition Party, Ms. Ariba.
A very good morning to all of you, respected Speaker ma'am. Today you have given an opportunity to represent my party, that is Ukta Bharat. So I just want to share my opinion that whatever ruling party has saying that I have done this, this and this, but they actually not did that thing. They are talking about safety. We have seen their safety, what is going on and is still going on. Okay. And they are talking about G20 summit. I actually know the reason what they had done in this. And I have so many questions about that infrastructure, and I just want to know corruption.
Okay.
And development of rural thing. That's all my point.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Now I would like to call the MP of Daliganj, Mr. Akram from our ruling party. Jai Hind.
I'm an MP of Daliganj. Whatever I'm going to say, it's not all about uplifting my party only, but consolidating each and every MP. So, I'm the MP of United States of India. After ruling our party, the first work we did, that is, inflation is decreasing. Shut up. They even don't know how. They are not able to hear. They are not able to hear.
Let him speak. Yes.
The,
Stop, everyone.
they don't know. They are not able to hear. They are not able to hear. They are not able to hear.
Wait, wait.
You can argue with him or you should
They
argue.
are not able to hear.
Wait. No, disclaimer, excuse me. You cannot be offended here. Just remember, you can say him, no, this is wrong data. You can provoke him, but you cannot fight here. Exactly. Of course.
And
see
see-
how polite he is. How humble he is.
The Honorable Speaker, the person who was earning 300 rupees after ruling our party, the per man income is 30,000 a month.
Okay.
After seeing the many problems, we have started Purvanchal Expressway and Agra Expressway. The person who was living in Lucknow, he took 8 to 10 hours for reaching the Agra. But after Agra Expressway, they can reach in 6 hours and 4 hours to Agra.
Let him complete.
Let me
Stop.
complete.
Let him complete.
Let me complete.
Let him complete.
Let me complete.
Yes.
After seeing the problem of office workers, we have started metro because they faced many problems to go in the office. Right. And we have started a campaign. There are many poor daughters, and every sisters of Indian girls. They are facing many problems. But after seeing this problem, we have started a campaign. The campaign, we are giving 51,000 rupees for every daughter in marriage, for marriage. And for education, we have started a campaign that is midday meal. Because of midday meal, there are many poor students. They are coming for taking midday meal,
Let him
and they
complete,
are they are taking education also. And the other thing is, we have hosted the flag, our national flag, at Lal Chowk. Because Kashmir हमारा है, कश्मीर हमारा है, खून बहा देंगे कश्मीर के लिए, कश्मीर हमारा है. And we are here for serving. We are not here for earning. And you people, then your party was ruling. At that time, only you are earning. You are earning. And that is the graph.
Okay. Please show. No.
I have a graph also.
Let him complete.
And this is the educational graph also.
Okay.
After coming our party, the educational graph is increasing day by day. Because we are working on them. So that is from my side. Thank you.
What happened? That is your manner.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Wait. No.
Wait a minute. They don't have patience. They don't have patience.
Who has done this? Who has done this? Dear Speaker, he must be disqualified. He must be disqualified.
Your
Master,
time
come here.
has fallen,
Master. Wait, come here.
Sit. First sit.
I want to say something. The person who are throwing stones on my head, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता जमाना क्या कहता है. The only Indian people are knowing that we are doing so much things for Indians.
Wait. Master will decide whether he should be disqualified or not.
No, he will not be disqualified because
Master, no, this is very bad.
because he was sharing the wrong data. This is why he cannot tolerate. He could not tolerate. This is why he has thrown.
Oh, sir, if he was sharing the wrong data, so he can beat. What is this?
He was not. He wanted to make him sit. This is the why just he was throwing.
All right, no problem. Ma'am will decide after some time. Yes, ma'am. The next MP, Member of Parliament, come on.
Any counter argument from this side?
Wow, very nice. So many
Okay,
counters. Slab by
One
words.
by one.
Slab by words. Yes, do you want to?
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead. Question goes to.
Please stand up, sir.
Sit down. Silent, please.
My name is Jandesh Pratap. I am a member of parliament from Manpuri.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am, give me this wonderful opportunity. I have a counter of this brother's statement.
Okay.
Agra Expressway not done by BJP. Agra Expressway project. I have a data. Slow. Project, ma'am. Speaker Sahiba, listen me carefully.
Silence.
Listen me carefully.
Silence.
This project coming by Mayawati government, not the BJP government, and some work for the Akhilesh government, not by this government. This is the wrong data. Your Agra Expressway not done by BJP. You are wrong, bro. You are wrong. You can search. No. Prove it.
Wait. Completed.
Yes, ma'am. This Agra Expressway not done by the BJP. This project come in Mayawati government and ye work done by Akhilesh government and only dhaga katna only by BJP government. Not any type of work done. This is the false data. Ma'am. If you have a right data, please show me. Please show me in Google.
Okay,
Not paper in Google.
Sit. Other person. Give a mic.
Thank you.
Sit down, sir.
Actually, ma'am, I just want to counter that question. Okay, he was talking about Kashmir. Kashmir is already in India. But why you... The major question of your ruling party is that, what about China? China is coming India day by day. And what about Siachen? You are forgetting about Siachen, what they are doing. Yes, people. I have one shayari for you. Listen. लगेगी आग तो आएंगे घर कई जद में. लगेगी आग तो आएंगे घर कई जद में. यहाँ पे सिर्फ हमारा मकान थोड़ी है. Whatever problem you are arising, everyone have to face this. You are not only living in India, okay? You have to think about the every people.
No answer, sir. Yes, बहुत अच्छे.
Even sir said that they provided midday meal. This is the wrong data because midday meal scheme launched in 1995. That time we were in ruling. Yeah, you can check. Shut up. Sit down.
Silence. Okay. Sir, now you can sit. You can sit. I have to call Allah.
I'm on point.
Now sit.
Sir.
Listen, the data.
And they spoken about the education. They have spoken about education. Even they are taking 18% GST from poor people. Oh. What about poverty? Shame.
Thank you.
Okay, okay, done. Now I would like to call Pooja, MP of Bihar from ruling party.
Good morning, everyone. So, my name is Pooja. I'm MP from Bihar, Patna,
Okay.
Bihar. So, my party name is United. This shows the United States. Sir, I stand United States. Yeah, this shows the unity. I am here for the sake of development. I am here for the sake of brotherhood, and I am here for the sake of equality. When I tell what have done my government, your life will be less, because we have done lots of things.
Okay.
And when I talk about Make in India, we are boost the manufacturing and attract the foreign investors. And we are focused on Startup India to support the entrepreneurship and innovations. And we are launched the Ujjwala Yojana. Yes, sir. We have launched the Ujjwala Yojana. We are providing free LPG gas connection for the poor family. And we have focused on the international relations. We had enhanced ties with countries like US, Japan, and other states.
Okay.
And when I talk about the smart cities, we are modernizing urban infrastructures and highways, railway, massive roads and construction projects, and the railway departments also. And when I talk about the social welfare schemes, we have done Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Ayushman Bharat. Ayushman Bharat is a world's largest health insurance scheme for the poor families. And PM Kisan Samman Yojana. We have given the amount of the farmers, and we have talked about the Bihar. When I talk
Your
about
time is running. Conclude it fast.
okay, when I talk about the Bihar, before some time I am that party, because of nepotism, because of these things, I changed my party.
Okay. Silence.
Because of fear of ED, they joined.
No, because of they are focused on only money. This is a behavior, sir. That's why I changed. That's why. Yes. Shut up.
Okay, ma'am. Sit.
Thank
Now
you.
I would like to call Aarti from opposition party. No, Aarti.
Wait.
You cannot tell me.
Who has spoken first? Tell me. Avoid, you have spoken. Avoid.
जहाँ रहेगी वही भ्रष्टाचार फैलाएगी. किसी भी चिराग का और किसी भी इंसान का ये लोग डेवलपमेंट कभी नहीं कराएगी. My dear, यही पार्टी हमें मरवाएगी. Yes. My dear, once again, my dear honorable speaker sir, and my dear all the parliamentary. My dear. Sir, for you. Sir, आपके लिए.
I am sweeper here today.
Yes, because our party is also give the respect sweeper as well. Okay, so my dear honorable speaker ma'am, and as well as all the parliamentary speakers. So you were talking about the safety and the Bihar. Just Pooja ma'am, you are talking about the employment in the Bihar condition is a very good. You are just like अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं. Where is the अच्छे दिन? Where? And Modi ji. One second. So, one second, sir. मोदी है तो हर चीज मुमकिन है. Prime Minister Rashid sir, where is the मुमकिन अच्छे दिन? Yes. So you are talking about the like in the Bihar, there is all the development. You have banned in alcohol in the Bihar. Still you are consuming. All the leaders are consuming the alcohol in the party. And after the ban alcohol in the Bihar, black market is created. Still there bad liquor is consumed. That's why so many people in the Bihar people die. You are killing the people. You are killing the people.
Please sit down. Please sit down. Last warning to your party. Maintain the decorum. Now I would like to call Mr. Faz from ruling party. Please present your opinion.
No. Good morning, my honorable speaker and my presentator.
Okay.
I'm a party of United States of. I'm member of United States of India. I'm a MP of Azamgarh. So I'm going to share whatever my party did and what my party will do in future. My party did so many things like that Swachhata and Shauchalaya. Earlier time when that party ruling, that time no any toilet, no any like Shauchalaya, sir. But nowadays our party provide 9 crore toilet, Shauchalaya to each and every home. It is a big opportunity.
Silence.
It is a big opportunity to each and everyone. Poor people, they have no toilet, but they are going and it's out of here.
Fast. Yes.
Yes, sir. And our party who provide many things like a ration. A poor person, they have no any goods for eating, but now still he is eating by our party because of our party.
Sit down. Any counter argument? Yes, please.
Good morning to all. My ruling party leader said that he is providing. Firstly complete. His leader said that.
Shut up.
His leader said that he is providing grain and anaj. Sir, listen. 1 minute. He said that अनाज एंड ग्रेन कि खुददार मेरे शहर के फाकों से मर गया, राशन जो आ रहा था वो अफसर के घर गया और रोटी अमीर शहर के कुत्तों ने छीन ली, फाका गरीब शहर के बच्चों में बढ़ गया और चेहरा बता रहा था कि मारा है भूखने मगर सरकार ने कहा लिया कुछ खा के मर गया. What is the grain? How many person get anaj? Sir, not quotation. Sir, 1 minute. I have data. Sir, India 42% poor lived in India who earn only $2.11 per day. That means 456 million person only earn 180 rupees per day, and in organized sector in our India, 77% Indians only earn 20 rupees per day. This is the actual data in India, and our ruling party said that I provide grain.
Sit down. Done. Okay.
That's all.
Now,
देखो, we can shout when the situation comes. There should be clarity as well. कितने बच्चे गांव के हैं, है ना? उनको आप लोग हौसला अफजाई करें, मनोबल बढ़ाएं. हाँ, अगर वो लड़का या लड़की बोलती हैं, if she or he speaks, आपको लगता है गलत बोल दी है, गलत इन द सेंस कि डेटा गलत है, उस समय शाउट करें, उस समय प्रवोक करें. अब कोई हेलो बोल रहा है, उसी में गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, समझ में? यहीं पे इतनी जिस तरह से आप लोग चल रहे हैं बहुत जबरदस्त, आई सैल्यूट यू. पर एक चीज थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो रही है कि हम अननेसेसरली प्रवोक कर दे रहे हैं. सो डू नॉट प्रवोक अननेसेसरली. ऑलराइट, अलीशा प्लीज.
good morning, all member of parliament, and thank you for giving me this golden opportunity for seeking for upliftment of. Come to your point, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So I would like to paste शायरी. ये साजिश और नफरतें को नई आंधी चलाने से, ये साजिश और नफरतें को नई आंधी चलाने से, ये हिम्मत आजमाने से, ये दीवारें गिराने से, ये किताबों को जलाने से, विरासत गिर नहीं सकती यूं तुम्हारे गिराने से. So I am a MP of Bihar district of West Champaran, and my opposition party Miss Pooja ma'am saying that in Bihar we are working like a farmer. Which type of working? In Bihar, farmers are facing so much problem, like there are excess of market, and they don't have storage and infrastructure. They don't have know about a technology, how to use a technology of a farming. And she also talking about like we are working on a education in Bihar. My respected Miss Honorable Speaker ma'am, you already know what is the condition of Bihar. In Bihar, BPSC chairman raising the like a normalization, and there are so many students are dying. Why? This type of working.
Do you know about the Bihar is the second highest producer in India?
Please make a silence and listen my point carefully. If you are not live on the earth, how can you make a IS officer? Please tell me.
Because we are give the good education. That's Bihar is the second highest.
In Bihar, there are only doing lathi charge on the students. Lathi charge, and that's the reason students are suffering so much difficulties. So that's my point. Okay, thank you. Any counter argument from this side? Yes, please, sir.
First of all, good morning, all of you. She is talk. Okay. It shows the brotherhood. It shows that brotherhood. That's why I am saying. Okay. So Alisa says that digitalization. Sir, listen. Hey, listen. Digitalization. Sir, do you know our government also promote? No, our government is also promoting the digitalization. You saw everywhere, like vendor person also the use of the mobile phone. This is the beauty of our government. This is the beauty of our government. And he is talking about only for there is no work.
Sit down.
Sir,
Learn to respect. First,
sorry,
learn
ma'am.
to sit down.
Okay.
Avdesh from this
Ma'am,
side.
please. Ma'am, please.
Avdesh from this side, present your opinion.
First of all, man, he needs to say sorry.
Okay, apologize.
Let me put my.
Give him the mic, please.
Sir, I can't say sorry because I am a right. So that's why.
No,
I can't say sorry. No, no. You are a police. You are a policeman. That's why I am. Who are you?
Okay, okay. Please, apologize.
Please cool down, cool down, cool down. I come from.
Sir, sit down. Sit down. Give him the mic. Stand up. So sorry. You cannot disrespect me.
No, no, no. Just a minute.
Apologize, sir.
First of all, I'm not wrong. Okay?
You were.
No,
You were.
no. Actually, no. Okay. Listen.
Sir, you need to understand, actually, she's the co-president of this party. And the way you are saying Alisha, this shows disrespect.
Sir, I said Alisa ma'am. No. Sir, you can check. Sir, you can check the camera, sir. No. You can check the camera.
Sir. And the way you are talking to our honorable speaker, is this manner, sir?
No, I respect the honorable speaker.
Say
Man.
sorry first of all, okay?
No, sir. Actually, I respect the honorable speaker. Man, honorable like MP.
You have disrespected our co-president here.
No, sir.
No problem. Avdesh, प्लीज लिसन पोलाइटली. जिनका नाम ओपिनियन के लिए स्पीकर साहिबा बोल रही हैं उसी के अकॉर्डिंग दे. काउंटर के लिए बोले तो काउंटर के क्वेश्चन करें.
Thank you, Speaker ma'am, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And if any one person hurt by my party leader, so I feel very bad. And हमें परवाह नहीं तुम्हारी कि तुम क्या सोचते हो. हमें परवाह नहीं तुम्हारी कि तुम क्या सोचते हो. हमें परवाह है इस देश की. हमें ऐसे विकसित बनाना है. Sir, I am saying before time, sir. Why are you, sir, crying? Why are you, sir, making noise? Why are you, sir, making noise? And why are you, sir, shouting? Because you have lost.
Let him present his opinion.
Because you have lost your parliament election. Why, sir? You don't shout inside. But at this time, you can see, sir, at this time, any one terrorist is not coming in India. But your ruling time, many terrorists was coming in India, and many terrorists was killing many in India, many people, as Mumbai attack, as Agra attack, as Lucknow attack. But at this time, you cannot see, sir. Speaker ma'am, I cannot speak at this time because this time, and I am going, ma'am. I am going because. I am going.
Sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a seat, sir, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. No. I don't respect. I am not You are unrespecting the parliament because you are shouting. And
Please cooperate, everyone. Let us speak.
I would like to say only sometime पार्टियां बनेंगी बिगड़ेंगी, सरकारें आएंगी जाएंगी, पर ये देश रहना चाहिए. इस देश का लोकतंत्र रहना चाहिए.
Okay. Any counter argument from this side? Please. You can sit, sir.
मैम हिज शायरीज पार्टियां बनेंगी एंड बिगड़ेंगी. More number of party broken by BJP in Karnataka, in MP, in Karnataka, in MP, in Maharashtra. Mein, what is doing in Maharashtra? Maximum parties breaking by BJP, by money, because of Ghotala, And ma'am, second, he said, please listen. Ma'am,
Maintain the decorum, please.
sit down. Silent, please. Second, ma'am. He said about the Pulwama attack. What about the Pulwama attack? Sir. Listen me carefully. Sir. In Pulwama attack, government saying, I give you report and search. Where is your report? Because you are doing because of election. हाँ, what is पूछता है भारत. Please give me report, sir, on Pulwama. Give me report.
But that time I did not prove and I did not rule in Jammu Kashmir because that time 370.
Give me mic.
Okay, sir. I want to call Mr. Azam Mishra. Please, no, it's okay.
Call my correct name. Okay. Now, here I am going to talk about the ruler party. As a first said, I will say only one thing. When I will start to speak, Nawab will not speak, ma'am. Okay. He doesn't have a manner to speak. He only can shout. Now silence. This is the reality of your member. This is the reality of your party. You are a Gunda. You are a Khalid. You doesn't have a He doesn't have a manner to speak. He only shouts. As a first said that, my PM has a time to go another country, to make relationship, to make friendship. But our PM doesn't have a time to go Manipur to ask those people who are suffering from problem, who are killing in our country. Our PM doesn't have a time to go there. And as one brother said more, that हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Absolutely, this is your जुल्मा. हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि गरीब कहाँ रह रहे हैं. हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि कितने लोग मर रहे हैं. I don't care how much people are killing in our country. How many soldiers have died. As this brother said that, a terrorist doesn't have a power to come in our country for attacking. Sir, I will say that now in your party there is a terrorist. How they can attack? As a Fed said one more thing, that toilet. Our PM distributed so many toilets. I will say that हम आपको इज्जत घर तो देंगे, पर आपकी इज्जत नहीं रहने देंगे. This is the reality of this party.
Okay.
When our party will come, then I will show real humility. Then I will say and show the real brotherhood. But he is, and this party only breaking the relationship of a religion. This party is running only on a casteism, only on a religions. This party nothing has done for country. We have done and we had done as an airport we gave to India. We have a given stadium, we have a given university, we have a given railway station. They are selling that thing. What we have made our country, they are selling.
Okay, thank you. I would like to call Miss Kazma. Please present your opinion.
Good morning, my respected ma'am, honorable ma'am, and good morning to everyone. Here I am the MP of Lucknow, and I would like to share a quote. Like अभी तक सरकार बनाने के लिए सरकार चलाई जाती थी, हम देश बनाने के लिए सरकार चला रहे हैं. Like everyone knows about that. Nowadays, this era have been belonging to digitalization. We have done digitalization a lot of, whether it's about in rural areas or about in urban areas. We have, whether it's about economic benefits, social benefits, infrastructure benefits, environmental benefits, and financial benefits as well. Digital India has created new job opportunities in the IT sector and e-commerce and digital services. Because of digitalization, the rural areas are people getting the more benefit with the help of digitalization, whether it's about education, whether it's about a student or about the home wives. Even the home wives are getting more and much benefit with the help of digitalization. They are doing the work from home with the help of digitalization. And if I talk about the before 10 years ago, there was no this kind of service, there was no this kind of benefit, there was no this kind of facilities. And if I talk about the online services, this nowadays we are getting more and much benefit with the help of digitalization. Within a minute, within a second, we are getting the more and much benefit with the help of digitalization. Like with the, whether it's about medicine, whether it's about food, and whether it's about anything. With the help of digitalization, the poor people are, the poor students are getting the education with the help of digitalization.
Okay, thank you.
And we believe in paperless transaction. Thank you for listening to me.
All right. That's beautiful. All right, everybody. Actually, our honorable speaker, Arpita ma'am, she has to fly for Australia after some time, of course. So from now onwards, another speaker has come here and he will be addressing you. Please everyone get up and invite Mr. Master.
Thank you very much.
Yes, congratulations to all the speakers. You have shared many more opinions, and now I have become your speaker. So I will be inviting you one by one, politely and humbly. You will have to share your genuine data and solid point you have to share, so that ruling party and opposition party, they can just accept your point. You don't have to shout, you don't have to be aggressive, but yeah, the thing just you have to share completely and politely. You have to accept and you have to share. All right, so here in this party, many more people and many more speakers, they have shared their opinion and their data as well. So now I would like to invite from Gorakhpur, MP of Gorakhpur, Mr. Afzal. Yes, from Ukta Bharat, Mr. Afzal.
Microphone, please.
With your permission, Speaker Sir, I would like to address this House of unemployment in India. Despite being the fastest growing economy in the world, unemployment rates are also increasing because of they don't provide the job, and a lot of farmers also are dying because of hunger, and lots of students remain jobless. And as per recent reports, unemployment
unemployment have reached alarming levels unemployment have reached alarming levels, particularly among educated youth. Sectors like manufacturing, agriculture, and MSME are the backbone of our economy. Backbone of our economy are not generating sufficient employment in India. And as a MP of Gorakhpur, there I see there are small industrial growth, and also farmers face a lot of agricultural problems because of floods like originating in Nepal. And employment rates in India are also increasing.
Sir, make it shorter. You are just making lengthy. Make it shorter.
I think you are telling the data of Bhutan. You need
Aarti, you're not sharing your data. He is sharing. Let him talk.
Okay, this data is from your ruling reports and ruling data like Ministry of Labor and Employment. What about that? This data provides by you. This data provided by your rule. This data provided by ruling party.
Sir, he's making a cock and bull story.
How you can say? No, he's proving. How you can? Mr. Rashi sir, you have to make him prove. He's proving. He's just giving some
How you
proof.
can say is it from Bhutan? Do you read data? Do you read data? Do you read?
Rashid, you have a seat. Have a seat. Let him clear. He is clearing. Let him clear. Yes, Afzal.
This report is given by you, your ruling party, not by me, not by us. Okay. So and this report is published by your ministry, like Ministry of Labor and Unemployment. Okay.
We didn't give that, sir.
By the way, Mr. Afzal sir, have a seat. You have shared your data. I don't know, like they are not accepting soon. Now I would like to invite from this team here from MP from Bihar actually. Pinky.
Good morning, my dear honorable sir. Today we are sharing my points. We have done.
Pinky, do you have data or not?
Yes, sir. Data.
So do hurry and share. Okay. Otherwise, I will ignore another person.
Sir, our government provide gender equality.
Okay.
Because of this party, I'm standing here.
I think Pinky doesn't have data, so I would like to invite her, Miss Kashish ma'am. Kashish ma'am, share. MP from Lucknow. Yes.
No problem. All right.
Lucknow East.
Good morning, dear speaker, and thank you having me this opportunity to say कीचड़ उनके पास था मेरे पास गुलाल कीचड़ उनके पास था मेरे पास गुलाल जो भी जिसके पास था उसने उस उछाल दिया. Here I am saying what my ruling party done. I am saying recently in COVID-19 we are suffered with big problem, and India the first who is make the vaccine.
Yes.
And we are represent the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao in 2015. And NDA government say that India is the growing worldwide fasted. We are working on the Koila scheme, Commonwealth scheme, Chapar scheme. In 2014, Jan Dhan Yojana, we Independent Day, we are representing, and there 31.31 crore people are get benefit. And we are opening the 1,80,96,130 bank khate. We make the worldwide record also. And here I am saying about the chapter who says the airport and all. We are the 128 route we are creating in our government in 128 route in national international airport. And here I am saying about the Chandrayaan 3. We are launching here Chandrayaan 3 and successfully failed. And this is Jai! And thank you, Jai Hind, sir.
All right, Ms. Kashish ma'am, have a seat. So here from Ukta Bharat, just I would like to invite MP from Jaunpur, Mr. Naeem.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for giving us, for representing my party. And without taking any extra time, I would rather to share my opinion. All the time, sir, all the time, our Prime Minister, I mean to say our rural party Prime Minister, all the time they are saying that कि हम तो फकीर हैं झोला लेके चल पड़ेंगे. But nowadays, what is the real and reality? What is the difference, real and reality? But they are putting. He is putting 1,40,000. He is putting a spectacle. The cost of 1,40,000, and that he is traveling a car. The car price is 12 crore, and he is using the pen. He is using the pen. He is using the pen, and the cost of pen 1,10,000, and he is wearing the.
Make silence, please. Make silence. Let him complete. Yes. Nawaz, I will make you outside. Security, have a seat. Yes.
Sir.
Yes, here. Make silence.
They have made this parliament like a fixed market. It's a minor. It's a literacy. And he is wearing, our Prime Minister, he is wearing a cloth, daily cloth. The cost of clothes 10 lakh. And sir, रातों को नींद
Guys, wait. We have interval for 10 minutes.
Sir. Everyone, now your old speaker. Have a seat. No problem. Make silence. Have a seat, Mr. Manjay, sir. Now our new speaker just coming, so let's welcome Mr. Kaif, sir. Please get up, everyone.
All right. Please sit down. Please have a seat. All right. Jai Hind, everyone. मैंने सीखा है समंदर से जीने का सलीका, चुपचाप से बहना और अपनी मौज में रहना. So dear speakers, I hope that you must have eaten food or taken coffee, taken pakauda, whatever you have taken. And if you have not taken, don't worry, we will take after some time. Nee, the point is, the pakauda are speaking, guys. The pakaudi are debating, guys. The biryani are fighting, guys. The pulao are arguing, guys. So, I am very angry person, guys. If you debate and fight unnecessarily, I will just disqualify them. We have only 30 minutes for this parliamentary talks. We will listen 5 speakers. I would say that member of the parliaments. Here, 5 members of this party, I mean in United States of India, they will 5 speakers speak, and here 5 speakers from here will be speaking. So I think Naeem, you were speaking, right? So pursue from here.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon to everyone. Thank you for giving me this great occasion to represent our party. And I am MP of the Jaunpur and we are from the Ukta Bharat and they are from the Khota Bharat.
Oh, excuse me. Yes, yes.
Without taking any extra time, I would rather to share my opinion like this about the Prime Minister of there.
Hurry up.
All the time they are saying that कि हम तो फकीर हैं झोला लेके चल पड़ेंगे. But what is the reality and what is the real? The reality is that they are putting. I mean to say, Prime Minister of there. He is putting chashma spectacle. 1 lakh. The cost of spectacle 1,40,000, and he is traveling a car, and the cost of the car 12 crore, and he is using a pen, and the cost of pen 1,10,000.
Make some solid points.
Yes.
What is this, sir?
Sir, I will come to the point.
Come to the point. Please, hurry up.
And it shows the poverty, sir. It shows the poverty. They are all the time they are saying that ki we are increasing the GDP, and nowadays everyone is suffering from the financial condition. But if Prime Minister using all the time costly, if he is living in luxury life, how can we say that he is increasing the GDP? Because of this, he is using the luxury car, he is using the luxury pen, luxury cloth, and luxury
You can
watch.
also purchase, sir. What is the problem?
Sir,
yes.
Why we are? They are choosing the food.
Wait. Yes.
Mr. Adnan.
It's your turn now.
MP of Banjaripur.
Thanks inviting me to share my opinion against my opposition. I come from constituency of Sitapur.
Okay.
So I have 2 lines. एक दो जख्म नहीं पूरा बदन है छलनी, एक दो जख्म नहीं पूरा बदन है छलनी, दर्द बेचैन है उठे तो कहाँ से उठे. You are blaming so much on my parties. I am observing for a long time that you are just blaming on my party. And you are saying that my party did nothing. You were saying that my party did launch any new scheme. He only
Maintain the decorum.
He cuts ribbon. So I want to say many types of scheme has launched in past governments, but the government didn't try to do strong them scheme and didn't try to apply them. But when party came in rule, so we try to not.
Dear member, please tell me.
Not launching new scheme, but we try to strong them. And we apply them. You can see the Awas Yojana was introduced in the government of Congress, but the Awas was not being built. But you can see a lakh of crores of Awas were being built, and the Awas nowadays you can see are being provided to every poor family.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
And there are 2 things.
You have 10 seconds.
Nowadays in my country, criminalization and digitalization. You are promoting in your government, in your ruling period, criminalization, and we are promoting digitalization. And you are talking about that the unimplementation in our country is rising day by day, but you don't talk about the youth who are using internet.
Sir, please have a seat.
Yes, that's my point. Thank you.
We have actually very short time, right? Everybody should get chance to speak. Point must be noted, if you think to ask some of the questions, so counter arguments can be done after a while. I would like to, yes, Miss Dipti, would you please proceed with your words, whatever you want to say.
Good morning, respected speaker.
I would suggest you to say Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
So I am Deepti from the party Rising India, and I am the MP of Bihar Nalanda, district Nalanda.
Good.
So today I'm going to raise the voice on education system.
Okay.
The ruling party, as they promised that they will give the good quality of education.
Right.
So I am seeing right now the poor children who are begging at the roadside. What about them?
Oh my God.
How are you providing education to them? And the teachers, I am going to talk about the education system of the government education system of Bihar. In the government education system, the teachers are teaching, but they don't know how to teach. They are just getting the degree by giving the ghoos, and they join the school and they don't know how to teach, as we see it in the news channel also. And now the third thing I want to raise that in the private school, they provide a very good quality of education. They provide every facilities like computer lab, general knowledge, and many more skill which will develop the children skill. And in the government school, we know that the children only know few subjects like English, Hindi, science, and social science. What about computer and general knowledge? There is no any computer lab. There is no any general knowledge education they are providing to them. So how they will develop the skill? How that poor children are developing their skill? And the ruling party talks about the digital India. So is the digital India is only for the rich people? What about the poor people? How they will get the benefit of the digital India? Thank you so much.
All right. So Dipti, is this the data of WhatsApp University, or you have taken? Is this your data, or it is from WhatsApp?
This is the Google data.
Oh. And this data has been uploaded by your own party, I think.
Yes, sir.
No problem. They will be having arguments after some time. Please have a seat. Miss Anjali. Anjali, MP of Jaunpur.
Jai Hind, respected Speaker Sir.
Jai Hind.
So I am the MP of Jaunpur, the district in Uttar Pradesh. Today, sir, I am feeling so sad to live in this country.
Oh, excuse me. What happened?
Because of this respected Rashid sir.
Excuse
Because
me.
of sir, I want to quote some line here.
Please proceed.
पिछड़ों को पीछे छोड़ा, SC, ST, OBC से नाता तोड़ा, राज सुरक्षा पर आज राशिद सरकार ने बंद की आंख. Sir, Rashid sir have said that हाँ राशिद सरकार आएगी, अच्छे दिन लाएगी. तो according to me, राशिद सरकार जाएगी तभी अच्छे दिन आ पाएंगे. So I want to show some data what he have done in these 11 years. So cooking gas for rupees 1,000, cooking oil and pulses rupees 200 rupees, and prices of petrol diesel beyond rupees 100. And I want to further include the situation of farmers here. The 3 black logs and suicide, only 27 rupees of days income of the farmers here in this 21st century. And they are like talking about the अच्छे दिन. Sir, हमें हमारे अच्छे दिन लौटा दो, हमें ऐसे अच्छे दिन नहीं चाहिए आपके. And also, sir, when we were ruling in the party, the diesel, the petrol prices are very low, where armed people can live happily in this country. But now, these inflation are killing us. This is a poison for us. Shame on you, sir. You are traveling all over the world and you are saying हम तो फकीर हैं झोला उठा के चलेंगे. What is this? He is sir most sophisticated person. You can see by his clothing and he is wearing branded T-shirt, branded jackets from London, UK. He doesn't care about the people of India, what they are suffering in this in this 21st century. Sir, you should know the situation, what people are struggling, how students are struggling in this era because of the unemployment. They are just going for a competitive exam. There are no source of income in their life. How can they live in this country? So honorable speaker sir, I want to say to everyone, please vote for Ukta Bharat. We will definitely improve all these things.
Ma'am, you're not campaigning here. You should tell about whatever they are doing or they have done. Whatever
sir.
you want to raise. You're not campaigning here. It's not election day here.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Sorry, sir, for the inconvenience.
No problem. Go ahead. You have 5 seconds. Hurry up.
Sir, when the Rashid government was export, it served the days full of hater, division of country. They are doing Hindu-Muslim in this country. We are living in a brotherhood country. In the Constitution of India, there have mentioned the word fraternity. The brotherhood. We want brotherhood in this country. We want justice in this country. We want liberty in this country. Not your tanashai in this country, sir. So, my dear respected speaker sir, that's all from me.
बहुत अच्छे. Guys, सब कुछ एक तरफ. I would like to tell one thing. मुझे सच में गर्व महसूस हो रहा है. I'm really feeling so proud कि हमारी बहनें, हमारे छोटे भाई, छोटे-छोटे गांव से आए हुए हैं. आज बजट पे आवाज़ उठा रहे हैं. आज जो है सरकार के खिलाफ आवाज़ उठा रहे हैं. 4 लाख सब्सक्राइबर के सामने बात रख रहे हैं. इतने लोग के सामने जो है एकदम कॉन्फिडेंटली बात करके आवाज़ उठा रहे हैं. आई एम फीलिंग प्राउड कि एक गांव की बच्ची निकली, इतना बच्चे निकले हुए चढ़ के बोल रहे हैं. आई रियली फील सो मच प्राउड. मेरी आपसे एक अदबन गुजारिश है, इट्स वेरी हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू ईच एंड एवरीवन, ऐसे चढ़ के बोलने की कोशिश करें, कॉन्फिडेंस लाएं. हमें ठीक है पार्लियामेंट्री टॉक्स एक नाम तो दे दिया है, हम लोग बात किए हैं, सच में हम लोग मेंबर्स नहीं हैं. वी आर नॉट MPs एक्चुअली. हमारा मोटिव क्या होना चाहिए? खुद का डेवलपमेंट. द वे अंजलि स्पोक, आई वांट एवरीवन टू स्पीक. अंजलि बोल के सच में इनको MP नहीं बनना है, बट आई पर्सनली कैन से, आई स्पेशली कैन से दैट द वे शी स्पोक, शी हैज डेवलप्ड हरसेल्फ. सो ठीक है, आप आर्ग्यू करें, कुछ भी करें, बट थिंक अबाउट योर पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट कि मैं जो बोल रहा हूं मेरा क्या डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. आप एक ताली भी बजाने सोचो कि मैं इस ताली बजाने के पीछे मेरा क्या कोई डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. कुछ लोग पता है ऐसे कौन बजाता है, आपको बिल्कुल पता है इसके पीछे क्या मोटिव है. आप बोल रहे हैं उसके पीछे मोटिव देखिए. तो प्लीज डेवलप योरसेल्फ सो दैट आई कुड फील मोर प्राउड. I would like to announce a person's name from the same party, Ukta Bharat, Mr. Rakesh. Hurry up.
भारत माता की वंदे thank you respected my
Sir,
prime
this
minister
dialogue seems like Rashid.
sir okay sir
No problem. So you are a fan of Rashid?
yes sir and I'm not a fan. I'm going to trap him the basis of like health sector. I'm going to talk about sir only one thing, the health sector.
You have 45 seconds. Hurry
Okay
up.
sir, thank you so much. Health sector, like we all have idea about in our India, we are saying that unemployment. It is remaining unemployment in our India, but we are not working. We should eradicate this unemployment from our India. How? Just go on the hospital, like in our area would be so many hospitals. We have to go there and we have to search what is the condition of the hospital. WHO has said that only one doctor can treat 1,000 of the patient. But what is the condition? One doctor had to treat 11,000 patients in a one day. This type of burden is happening in our India. What is the condition of our health sector in our whole world? 190 country, our number is 66. We are considering ourselves, we are going to become third largest economy of India. How can you say, sir? Just focus on health first. Sir, we all have idea about, in our India, we have 125,000 ICU bed, but required 7 lakh more than ICU bed. It's any emergency. In our India, we have 8,05,000 doctors, but we required more than 20,70,000 doctors. All this position is of empathy. We should full And if we are going to full, definitely unemployment rate will also decrease. But we are not doing this. Second thing, sir, the patient kept like hawker on like vegetable.
Oh my God.
Sir, this is the condition of our India. What you are doing, sir, doesn't mean whatever has done at the last party before 2014. But when you came in our India, what you have done for health sector, what the condition right now, still it is remaining. Please, sir, I'm very ashamed the being Indian, like you are not doing this thing, like our poor people who belong from rural area, if he has to get treatment, that time he had to just wander around the hospital for this treatment, and he can't get a proper and better treatment from the good and respected, very valuable hospitals are India. So that's all about from my side. Please, sir, I would like to request you very simple thing. Please work on it and enhance something. Thank you so much.
Please
sir.
have a seat. All right, very nice. Akash, MP of Ayodhya.
First of all, I would like to say thank you, dear speakers. You have given wonderful
Dear
chance.
speakers, all right. Yes.
You have given wonderful chance to speak here because we are opposition parties, and that's why I speaking here. And you have to, firstly, you have to say Jai Hind, Jai Samvidhan, because Constitution has given rights. That's why you all has spoken. And I also speaking now. And I have question to education ministers, because I saw a news, a lot of students leave schools, and ruling parties has a lot of schools closed, and they are in Uttar Pradesh, in Rajasthan, in Jharkhand, and other things. A lot of government cuts, and ruling parties given rights companies. That's why companies cutting tree in Hardev jungles in Jharkhand. That's why pollution increasing and a lot of things. And I want to say some शायरीस. कैसे हो जाऊं तेरी मोहब्बत में फिदा, कैसे हो जाऊं तेरी मोहब्बत में फिदा, हमने मांगा नौकरी तूने दे दिया नमक तेल और चना. They are only providing only casteism and communal rights and a lot of things, but they cannot focus and work. They are not focused on unemployment. They are not focused GDP. They are not focused in inflation. And I want to say some शायरीस. जो डलहौजी ना कर पाए ये हुक्काम कर देंगे, जो डलहौजी ना कर पाए ये हुक्काम कर देंगे, कमीशन दो तो हिंदुस्तान को नीलाम कर देंगे. सुरावा सुंदरी के शौक में डूबे हुए रहबर, सुरावा सुंदरी के शौक में डूबे हुए रहबर, ये दिल्ली को रंगीले शाम का हमाम कर देंगे. ये वंदे मातरम का गीत गाते हैं सुबह उठकर, ये वंदे मातरम का गीत गाते हैं सुबह उठकर, मगर बाजारों में चीजों का दुगना दाम कर देंगे. अगर सदन में घूस देकर बच गई कुर्सियां तो, अगर सदन में घूस देकर बच गई कुर्सियां तो घुसखोरी सारे आम कर देंगे. Thank you, sir. You have been great audience today. Thank you.
Please have a seat. All right, very nice. Anshu from Gonda.
जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम. Dear speaker, I am representing here to Gonda. Is a bliss. Lots of students, they are suffering from lots of problem. In India, who is ruling in government, they are saying that in after 2024, no any attack in India. So I want to tell you, Uri attack is done in your government. Pulwama attack is done in your government. Sukma attack is done in this government. Sir, he is saying that we are very देशभक्त type of people in India. सर, ये अमन के पुजारी अमन बेच देंगे और वतन के पुजारी वो वतन बेच देंगे, और कुछ ना रहा भारत माँ के पास तो खोद कर मिट्टी से कफन बेच देंगे. In this government, sir, nowadays 646 Arab dollar loan he is taking from Vishwa Bank, sir, World Bank, sir. It is the big fault of his ruling government. Nowadays he is saying that we have done digital India, digitalized, we are converting. सर देश का अन्नदाता किसान भूखा मर रहा है और आप बैठे कह रहे हैं कि इंडिया डिजिटल हो रहा है. सर इंडिया डिजिटल बिफोर व्हाट यू ओनली यू कन्वर्टिंग टू बीइंग बिफोर योर गवर्नमेंट बी डिड राष्ट्रीय ई गवर्नेंस योजना बी. सर यू आर गिविंग GST. ही eating food just like a small child. In his milk they are giving a 12% GST, sir. Yes. And he is saying that medicine they are taking GST, sir. He is saying that we are Deshbhakt type people, sir. And hunger rate, if you are going a hunger rate, sir, shame on you. Go from here, shame on you, sir. Lots of people without eating they are sleeping, sir. Know about him, sir. Prime Minister, they are silent just like a Nirav Modi. And if we talk about Nirav Modi in this government, he ran away from here. He is saying that we are giving 1,000 rupees to PM Shri Yojana. He is saying, yeah, PM Shri Yojana, sir. Before, what he did? He did nothing. We did, sir. We did. Yes. Just like we did IIT college. We did education sector. We give a good constitution here, sitting here, sir. It is the power of my government, sir. He gave, sir, he is saying that LPG Yojana, we are giving Ujjwala Yojana. Before you, I gave you LPG Yojana, which is under of poor people, before your government. And Rashtriya Balika Divas, we started celebration. You are saying that Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao and Beti Patao. He is saying that you can go and watch, sir. It is real, sir. And Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, he is saying that I gave. Sir, he is saying that we gave a Pradhan Mantri Bima Suraksha before you. I gave Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana, sir. In my government we did. What you did? You did nothing. If you are going a student, you ask to about student, what is your, they are saying that, sir, if they are not giving a job, if we are going, we are raising wise, they were beating by, sir, lathi and danda. They are just like they are criminal. They are just like this, sir. So we want to request you to this government. I am not satisfied this in his work, but I want to request you for work for, sir, your nation, only not yourself, for our country, sir. I know you will be, one day you sold whole country and you will sold kafan of country. So I want to request you. Thank you, sir. Jai Bhim, Jai Sambidhan and Jai Jawan. Thank you.
All right, very nice, very nice. Any counter question from ruling party? Thank you very much. Arman. From ruling party, hurry up.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
I'm from Bahraich and I'm MP of Bahraich.
Are you safe?
Yes, sir. I'm safe.
Here?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Today I will speak. In India has completed 79 years independent.
Why are you staring me, sir?
Ji?
You are staring me.
No, sir. Not staring me. Staring you.
All right.
And we know also India is a democratic country in the world, and India is the biggest, largest country in the world. After that, we cannot provide a proper health care. We cannot provide a school facility.
Have you ever seen, sir, the world map or not?
Yes, sir, I see it.
You should see again.
Yes, sir.
India is the largest country.
देखोगे तो मिल जाएंगी हर मोड़ पे लाशें, ढूंढोगे तो इस शहर में कातिल ना मिलेगा. Guys, and my dear speaker, just I want to say that India is the biggest, 3 largest country in the world, and economics country in the biggest economic country. After that, India is an agricultural country. India is running due to agriculture. After that, some people hungry. After that, some people are dying because of hungry. Some people are sleeping on the footpath without blanket. Some people are sleeping on the footpath because there has no food.
They don't have.
They don't have food. Because of them, because of ruling party. कहते हैं कि नजर को बदलो तो नजारे बदल जाते हैं, सोच को बदलो तो सितारे बदल जाते हैं। कश्तियों को बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है, कश्तियों को बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है, कश्तियों को बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है। नजर को, दिशा को बदल दो, किनारे खुद ब खुद बदल जाते हैं, किनारे खुद ब खुद बदल जाते हैं। इंडिया इज अ जागता भारत है। इंडिया इज अ जागता भारत है। इंडिया कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं है, इंडिया कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं है। माय मेंबर, माय डियर स्पीकर, due to ruling party, day by day corruption increasing, Guys, just I want to say that.
Come on the stage. Walk, speak. Yes. Yes. Come on. Your speaker.
My dear speaker,
yes.
Just I want to say that India, not a little country. India is the biggest country in the world.
Yes.
After that, suffering a lot of problem. After India, 60% people unemployment. Indian people has a lot of degree, but they don't have nokri.
Jobs.
Guys, day by day increasing poverty, day by day increasing poverty, corruption. India has everything, but Indian people nothing. Indian people has nothing. India has everything. India has everything, but Indian people has nothing. Just I want to say that my dear speaker, India not a little bit country. India not a little bit country.
A small country.
And not a small country. India is a popular country in the world.
Yes.
After that, we are suffering a lot of problem. Just I want to say that इन्हें चाहिए सिर्फ कास्टिज्म को रिक्वायर करने के लिए कास्टिज्म रिलीज कर रहे। When India has completed 79 years independent, that time India had no any good college. I provided IIT, I provided IIM, I provided everything. And he said, he khali only, that party only आते हैं फीता काटने के लिए. That party आते हैं खाली फीता काटने के लिए. Guys, yes, ये छोड़ दो, चले जाओ यहाँ से. जीते करने दो हम लोगों को. Thank you, sir. Thank you, my all member. Thank you.
Very nice. रहने दो हम लोगों को. ओके सर इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई? वेट ऑलराइट. Ariba, what are you longing for? Yeah.
Thank you, sir. You have given again opportunity to me speak here. I just want to aware one thing, that we are the purpose of this debate, we have to aware something. And we just want to know that ruling party is doing that. I just want to talk on structure, tax structure. We should know the ground reality of this. We have heard that tax structure, we know that is two types. First is long-term capital gain tax, and second is short-term capital gain tax. That is increases. Earlier, long-term gain capital tax was 10%, and right now it is 12.5%. And short-term capital gain tax, earlier it was 15%, and now it's 20%. What is the problem in that? our India providing lots of facilities to entrepreneurs. They help to develop themselves. But because of this tax, they are leaving our countries. Leaving our countries. Leaving our countries. Lots of entrepreneurs. We can take example of. Can I take an example of any cricketer?
No.
Okay.
XYZ cricketer.
Yeah, a cricketer, we all know that because of tax, they leaving our country. And second thing is that I've heard that economic survey of this year on page number 65. Earlier they were promoting share market, and this time they are saying that because of share market, our India is facing instability. And these are the major cause of our problem. Ruling party should have to focus on these problems.
Exactly.
And last on the least, not the least, that is, everyone is talking about digitalization. You were talking about that is happening, that is not. We have to see the disadvantages of digitalization. You have heard a case, and we should aware on that thing. A company through digitalization provided a loan, and they give a very good quantity of that loan, the money price, and after that they start pressure on that. I've heard the news on the Hindu newspaper that whole family done suicide because of this loan. They pressured them. They gave us some loan in approx 1 lakh, and after that they were asking to 17 lakhs.
Make it short.
Yeah, at these all the major issues we have to think about it. And the last one is that suicide case is increasing day by day. We have heard, we should know that every 40 seconds, 1% got suicide. That's the major cause. And I will conclude my point, say one शायरी. शाखें रही तो फूल भी पत्ते भी आएंगे. शाखें रही तो फूल भी पत्ते भी आएंगे. ये दिन अगर अच्छे नहीं, ये दिन अगर बुरे हैं तो अच्छे भी आएंगे.
All right, fine.
Thank you, Speaker sir, for having me this golden opportunity to speak in Parliament. I have one शायरी for them. कर दिया
beauty here, come on.
कर दिया है इन्होंने भारत को खंड खंड है. कर दिया है इन्होंने भारत को खंड खंड है, पर कहते हैं हमारी पार्टी का नाम अखंड है.
Oh. Yes.
And
yes.
I have question for our Home Minister. Yeah. And his son, how did his son become chairman of BCCI? ICC. Yeah, it's I'm correct. And they are raising question that what we did when we were in power. I have one data that what we did, and brother said that we launched Chandrayaan. Do you know why Chandrayaan you launched? Because of ISRO, and we made ISRO first of all. Yes, and second, in 2011, biometric data introduced by us, photo and fingerprint. And second, also in 2011, we introduced Vivek Express. In 2012, India successfully tested the first long-range missile. And also in 2013, India launched the Vikrant aircraft, which is first aircraft of India. And also in 2013, India sent a spacecraft to the Mars, Mangalyaan. His name is Mangalyaan. And for last, I have one shairi for ending and wrap up, that कुर्सी है तुम्हारा जनाजा तो नहीं, कुर्सी है तुम्हारा जनाजा तो नहीं, कुछ कर नहीं सकते तो उतर क्यों नहीं जाते. Thank you.
Diya.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, dear Speaker. Everyone said Rashid sir do not do anything. He gave he gave oxygens in COVID-19, and he gave pension to those girls. They don't have parents.
Again reading. Please have a seat.
No, sir, I'm not reading.
What is that? What is
Sir,
that?
key points.
You can think key points from here as well.
Okay, sir. Public toilets, village toilets, and sir, 6 million households toilets, 100 millions above household, 100 millions public toilets, and Chandrayaan. He spent money on Chandrayaan 2, 978 crore. On Chandrayaan 3, he spent 600 crore rupees, and Chandrayaan 1, he spent 386 crore rupees. And sir, I have Shari. तू यूनाइटेड स्टेट का नेता बन जा, मैं SKS का संगी. ऐसा मुंडन करेंगे अखंड भारत का, ना तेल लगे ना कंगी.
What is this? अच्छा, ऐसा मुंडन करेंगे अखंड का, अपने ही कर रहे हैं. This is अखंड भारत. This is उगता भारत. This is उगता भारत. Please have a seat. Guys, thank you very much. You have been a great members of the parliament today. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.